Hi, I'm Scott Akerley and CEO of the Pango Group. The mission of the company was decided by how do you have something that won't change over a decade or 2 decades or 3 decades. I wanted to be in the real estate business. How can I bring someone on board day one? And I think a lot of people sometimes when they're faced with the challenge, they want to spend a lot of time talking about the reality of the situation. So I think when we're talking about our people, that it has to be the focus of the people. And I remember the first person that actually had to fire. There's multiple ways to go from point A to point B, was the idea. And I remember I came up with an idea that I really thought was a complete home run. And he just tore it apart. He didn't quite call me an idiot, but was close to it. I think about work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and I don't ever think of it as work. Learn about company culture only on Kulture Plus.